Hello, this is the first presentation of Typhoon shoproaster 2 kilos from Typhoon company. We want to demonstrate which parts it consists of. We want to demonstrate its functions and then want to roast on its machine. We'll begin with that the roasting machine has a door which closes the access to the roasting and drying area, and it closes all the space. The window pane is made so that all the clients and all the coffee manufacturers can monitor all the processes which take place inside of the roasting area. So this is the hopper. So it has the function of a valve, and you need to swivel it so that the fresh air stream would have access inside of the roasting area. You can do that during all the roasts, and near the crack time you open this valve so that fresh air would come inside of the roasting camera. You have exact parameters according to which you can set the valve in the beginning as well as in the end of the roast. The main component of the roasting machine is the roasting camera, which you can slide and you can drop coffee beans to the cooling table. This is isolated camera as well as all the parts of the roasting machine. In average, the isolating layer of this area is about 50 millimeters. The special device is pushed onto the roasting camera and holds it during all the roast. At the back side of the roasting machine, we have placed the system of positive exhaust. We open it in order that fresh air would come inside of the roasting machine, and so that the processes would go right. You open the exhaust system and you open the positive draft. This is the system for removing the chaff from the roaster. All the chaff is collected inside of this container, and you remove the chaff after each roast by removing the container. At the back side of the roasting machine, we have as well the high pressure ventilator, which enables the boiling bed to mix and to roast. It is isolated as well, and it's very effective. Down below the high pressure ventilator, there is a camera, and there are heating elements. In the bottom of the roasting machine, there is an electrical cabinet which is responsible for all of the processes taking place while roasting. Now we begin roasting coffee. Now the coffee beans are mixing in their boiling bed. We have switched on positive draft so that all the smoke would be removed during roasting. We can regulate air inflow by the special valve during roast, during hopping. You can take coffee samples similar to the process when you do while working with the drum roaster. Chaff is cleaved to the filter screen, and it is not present in the roasting camera. We will improve internal construction of a roasting machine, so that all the chaff won't be in the roasting area, but exclusively on the filter screen. This is our program which we have developed for control of roasting. So we set our parameters and the task for roasting. through the window you can see the process of coffee roasting. So in the future we are going to place a lamp inside of the roasting machine that would enable us to watch all the processes. As you can see, the coffee beans are mixed very consistently, and we use only air stream. We do not use metal blades. While cracking, we open the valve so that to remove smoke from the roasting area. We have been working on this roasting machine for more than 2 years in order to prove that air roasters can be very mobile, very attractive and very effective. We are now going to drop coffee beans.
Система очень простая и позволяет быстро выгружать весь объем.
The system is very simple. It enables us to drop all the coffee beans very quickly. This is the standard cooling table, which is able to cool coffee beans during. This is the roasting profile which we have for this roast. We have roasted coffee Brasilia. Here you can see the ROR scheme, and I think that it's not very ideal, but it can very effectively demonstrate how new thermobars are working and how our roaster is working. Now we'll show how the roaster is cleansed after roast. Firstly, you remove the chaff container from the roaster. The main advantage of Typhoon roasting machines is that you have the full access to all the components of the machine. To access all the components, you have 10 seconds to open the door. And we can remove all the chaff that is collected inside of the roasting area. It's very crucial to cleanse after each roast so that all the chaff and byproducts will not influence the taste of coffee. To improve the humid cleansing, we also have made our roasting machine out of stainless steel. That was it. We have demonstrated the roast and we have showed you which part it consists of and as well as its functions.
Наша компания.
We did our best. I hope you liked it, and we look forward to the day when everybody will know about the Typhoon technology and everybody will roast on our machines.